They called it the storm of the century, and it turned the South into a frozen wasteland overnight. Snow started falling on March 12th, 1993, but this wasn't your average flurry. From Alabama to the mountains of Georgia, the sky unleashed hurricane-force winds and record-breaking snow. Birmingham got over a foot. The mountains of North Georgia were buried under nearly 3 feet. Even the Florida Panhandle saw up to a foot of snow, something so rare it still shocks meteorologists. Power lines snapped, roads disappeared, thousands were stranded in their homes, some for more than a week. In Georgia alone, the National Guard rescued hundreds, delivering food, medicine, and hope through blinding whiteouts. It was a storm that humbled the South, a place where winter usually means a light dusting, not a blizzard that shut down entire states. Were you there when the South froze over in '93? Follow us for more Southern disasters as we travel forgotten roads where legends linger.